The level of speakers are fantastic. I know there are certain criteria that had to be met to be a speaker, and so you're generally dealing with the people who are the leaders in their organizations, and so the level was very, very high.
So I think the overall program is really quite perfect for this kind of industry because it's not about being big. You know, there's not hundreds of people here. Well, we'll never get a chance to meet them. It gives you enough people. There's a breadth of knowledge and a breadth of experience.
The value and the level, very high. Something I was concerned about was it's a smaller group. We're not talking about 500 people here. But it also worked very well that I noticed the participants, like during the Q&A session, the audience was very active.
So this event, I was pleasantly surprised with the level of aptitude and the openness of sharing of the speakers.
I see also include that there are a lot of digital solution pop up in this event, and I really like to see because the world is trend and towards that.